What up, everybody? I want to talk to you today about something that's very real and it's happening faster than most people think. I just watched a video talking about AI and jobs, and it really made me stop and think because this isn't hype anymore. This isn't someday. This isn't, it might, this is happening right now. And if you're trying to decide your future or you feel unsure about job security, you need to hear this. AI is already replacing jobs, office jobs, administrative roles, customer service, data entry, even coding and white collar work. Anything that lives behind a screen, anything repetitive, anything predictable, AI can do it faster, cheaper, and nonstop. Companies don't need lunch breaks. They don't need PTO. They don't need health insurance. And a lot of people are about to feel that reality. Now, here's the part nobody is talking about enough. AI cannot do HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. AI can't climb into an attic. AI can't troubleshoot a system that only fails after 15 minutes of run time. AI can't feel vibration, hear noise, smell motor overheating, adapt on the fly. AI can't explain a repair to homeowners and earn their trust. This work requires hands, judgment, experience, problem solving, and real world adaptability. That's why skilled trade, especially HVAC, are AI resistant careers. We're not immune to it, but protected. I'm not saying this from theory. I live this. I built real skills that people need. I created income that doesn't depend on algorithms. I built a career that still works when the internet goes down. And here's something else most people overlook. Right now, the trades have more open positions everywhere. Why? Because the baby boomer generation is retiring. Thousands of experienced technicians are leaving the workforce every year. And there are not enough replacements. That's why opportunity is wide open right now. But listen carefully. That window will not stay open. More videos like this are coming out. More people are becoming aware. More office and administration workers are going to start pivoting into the trades. And when they do, these jobs will fill up. The people who got in early will already have experience, have seniority, have certifications, have better pay, have leverage. While the people who waited will be starting at the bottom or won't get in at all. Experience compounds in the trade. The longer you wait, the more ground you give up. Let's be honest. The admin people are coming. The people who sat behind desks, manage spreadsheets, schedule meetings, they're going to realize that trades mean stability, real money, job security, and then they come. Competition goes up. You want to be ahead of that wave, not behind it. If you're watching this and thinking, I don't want to be replaced, I want a skill that matters, I want something real, then don't wait. Go to a trade school, apply for apprenticeships, start as a helper, get your foot in the door. AI is changing the world, but trades still need humans. So get in now before everyone else does. because the people who take action will be the ones that are getting paid the most tomorrow. All right, HVAC people.